Vigyan Kendra under the aegis of Department of Agriculture, Government of Manipur, today observed Krishak Gosti at the premises of KBK Thoubal. In connection to this, a tree plantation campaign was also held, wherein several saplings were planted in the surrounding areas of KBK campus. Proprietor of Ladies' Corner Ngangbam Kiran Mala urged the concerned authority to take action against Humanism Foundation, Sagolman Sayang Kurau Makhong, for building a work shed on the wrong name. Chief Minister N. Biren stated that a state draft policy for protection of children will be formulated very soon after consulting his cabinet colleagues. He informed this to media during a program held at a children's home located at Dulalan, Imphal, in connection with the 69th birth anniversary of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Mau Market was opened today at New Chekon Youth Club Ground, Imphal. Today's Mau Market Shade was arranged by New Chekon Youth Club under the aegis of International Peace and Social Advancement in collaboration with Kanglei Park Students Association along with Mau Imphal Market Coordination Committee. BJP Jiribam Mandal celebrated the 69th birthday of Prime Minister Narendra Modi today at its office in Dibong, Jiribam. Chief Minister N. Biren today attended a road safety awareness program on Road Vehicles Amendment Act 2019 at the Interstate Bus Terminal located in Dulalan, Imphal. The program focuses on road safety rules and other related topics. Assistant Professor of Biotechnology Department, Manipur University, Dr. Hamidur Rahman will be conferred the AMP National Award for Excellence 2019. He was earlier nominated for the award through a survey conducted jointly by Manipur Muslim Online Forum and Association of Muslim Professional Manipur Chapter. Hamidur Rahman hails from Thoubal Moijing, Meena Bazar. Mizoram's opposition party, Zoram People's Movement Vice President Dr. Kenneth Changliana lambasted the ruling Mizo National Front, saying it is backsliding even after ruling the state for over 10 months now, according to sources. Addressing a political session at ZPM office in Aizawl yesterday, Changliana said that Mizoram is moving backward in terms of development within 10 months after the MNF came into power. A team of officials of the 6th Assam State Finance Commission, led by its chairperson and former Assam Chief Secretary T.Y. Das, visited Dima Hasao district on Monday. As per reports, the team had a meeting in Haflong with the officials of the NC Hills Autonomous Council in presence of Chief Executive Member of NCHAC Debolal Gorlosa. The meeting discussed on reference of the 6th Assam State Finance Commission and other related issues of the local bodies. An unmanned aerial vehicle which has lost its control from DRDO at Kudapura in Chitradurga district of Karnataka crashed in an areca nuts farm this morning. Further details are awaited in this regard. US President Donald Trump said that it looked like Iran was responsible for attacks over the weekend on Saudi Arabian oil plants. However, Iran has denied the blame, with Iranian President Hassan Rouhani saying the strike was carried out by Yemeni people retaliating to attacks by the Saudi-led coalition in Yemen's 4-year-old war.